Báwo ni ẹ̀yin tèmi? Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán tàbí ẹ káalẹ́. Depending on whenever you are seeing this video, I am still Fatai Oyeyemi, your virtual Yoruba teacher. And today, we're going to be taking a look at homographs in Yoruba language. Now, just like English language have its own homograph, the Yoruba language also have homograph. So, what is homograph? Homograph are words that have almost the same spelling, but different meaning, and often they have different pronunciation. So in Yoruba language, we call homograph gbólóhùn onípọnà. That is gbólóhùn mímídò onípọnà. Gbólóhùn onípọnà is what we call homograph in Yoruba language. Remember, homograph always have some characteristics, like majorly 3. The first one is 1, they have the same spelling. Same spelling. 2, they have different meaning. And 3, they often have different pronunciation or different pronunciation. Now, these are the 3 features of homograph. But comparing English homograph to Yoruba homograph, there is a kind of slight difference. You know, we said homograph have the same spelling, they have different meaning, and often different pronunciation. In Yoruba homograph, our homograph always have different pronunciation. Though they are spelled the same, they are different meaning and they are different pronunciation. But if you check English homograph, most times they all do have the same pronunciation. Take, for example, bow. You know, bow can mean part of a boat, like a canoe, it has a bow. Or bow can mean ribbon. Maybe when you're packing a gift, you tie like a bow on it. So there's like an homograph in English, which can be used for part of canoe and as a package of a gift, which is the ribbon, bow. But looking at the homograph in Yoruba language, they often have different pronunciation, and that's what we'll be taking a look at today. So let's just get straight down to it. You're welcome back. Like I said earlier, homograph is called gbólóhùn onípọnà in Yoruba language. That is, words that have different meaning. And I'm going to give you an example. We have many words like this in Yoruba language. We have a particular word that can be written in more than 5 places. The same spelling, but different pronunciation and different meaning. And I give you an example. Let's take this word, IGBA. This particular word in Yoruba language can be written in like 5 different ways. So we can have it as time. We can have these same words as calabash. We can still have it as garden egg. We can have it as rope. Then we can have it as number 200. 200. So, see what we're saying now? The same word can give us 5 different meaning. Now, talking about this word in time, we now have it as igba. Putting the mark dodo, igba. Igba means time or season. time or season, that is Igba. Then talking about calabash, it will give us, we have it as Igba with the mark, Remi, Igba. Then using this same word as garden egg, we have it as Igba, Domi, Igba. Then using it as a rope. Now, here we're not talking about just ordinary rope for tying thing. People that do maybe palm wine tappers or people that do this palm kernel, that there's a particular rope they use in climbing palm tree. That is what we're talking about here. And that is pronounced as Igba, Redo. Then we can still have the same word to mean 200. And that is Igba, Rewe. This one doesn't have any mark on it. So what will actually differentiate homograph in Yoruba language is the tonation you put on it. That is the tonation mark. You know, this is something you don't have in English, just that in English, the pronunciation might be different, but it has different meaning. But in Yoruba language, looking at the spelling, all these words have the same spelling, but different pronunciation and different meaning. So let's go once again. We have time or season as Igba, Igba, Do. We have calabash, Igba, Remi. Then we have garden egg, Igba. We have Domi. Then rope, that is for climbing palm tree, Igba, Redo. And 200, Igba, Wewe. So let's take one more example. We have Ewe and Ewe. Now, this is another word that can give us like 2 meanings. E-W-E. So here now, this one is pronounced as Ewe, Remi, Ewe. So what is Ewe in English? Ewe just literally means leaf. And the other one, Ewe, Dore, means youth. Youth. See, Ewe, Remi, Ewe, Dore. So that is just the simple rundown of homographs in Yoruba language. They have the same spelling, different pronunciation, and different meaning. And this will bring us to the end of today's lesson. I do hope you get something in there, and I do hope you learn something new. If you have any question, just drop the question in the comment section. And if you have any request for me, or maybe there's a particular topic you want me to talk about, drop it in the comment section and we'll see how we can treat that. Don't forget, before you go, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of our classes as we upload them. Till I see you in the next video, do have a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Cheers.